The ESNBIA, the EMBATHER, or SR Sunrise? Perhaps the Gabrylly or the KOJOX? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 high pressure and rainfall shower heads available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best high pressure and rainfall shower heads. The 5th product on this list is the SR Sunrise Luxury Rain Mixer. This shower head is high quality and has a mixing valve made of solid brass. This ensures that it is rust-free and long-lasting. Moreover, the 304 stainless steel rain shower head with silicone nozzles allows you to wipe away mineral deposits with the swipe of a finger. It has a flexible, explosion-proof, and anti-kink 71-inch long hose, which can reach the corners of the bathroom and eliminates cleaning blind spots. This pressure balance valve has 2 built-in check valves to eliminate water hammer noise effectively. The pressure balance valve's cartridge monitors the water pressure balance and helps protect you from being burned by sudden changes in hot or cold water pressure. You can also install it confidently because it has CUPC certification and compliance. Additionally, thanks to the ultra-thin rain shower design, this unit works even with low water pressure. When the water flows out after passing through the ultra-small space, it offers a high water pressure rain shower experience without the need for an electric pump. We especially like that it has a 10-year warranty. Any product quality problem can be guaranteed free of charge, and the shower cartridge is permanently replaced free of charge. Furthermore, the anti-fingerprint has passed the salt spray test and maintains its original gloss even in wet bathroom environments. Lastly, there are several outer shell options to offer a sleek and modern look for all bathrooms and walk-in showers. Its pros are, it is made of high-quality metal, it has a handheld option that is easy to hold, and it has 5 finish options, which can be unique to you. However, it has only one spray option, which can be annoying. The SR Sunrise Luxury Rain Mixer is a well-made product that ensures you always have a great shower experience. Up next in 4th place is the KOJOX. This 12-inch square rain shower head is made of 304 stainless steel and has a handheld shower head with the 15.7 inches shower arm. The pressure balance valve cartridge monitors water pressure balance to protect you from scalding due to sudden changes in the pressure of hot or cold water. It also has air pressurization, the adoption of innovative air injection technology, and the large 12 inches rain sprinkler, which mixes water with air to increase the water pressure to 100% and simulates the natural rain, which provides you with genuine contact of water experience. It has a matte black sleek look of European and American style, and the multi-layered electroplating passes the salt spray test. It can easily face surface corrosion in the humid environment of the shower room. We also like that it monitors water pressure balance to protect you. This means that when someone is taking a shower and others may be using cold water in the kitchen, the pressure balance valve detects changes in the cold water and adjusts them accordingly, so you're not suddenly scalded or frozen. The water temperature will change by no more than a few degrees, and you can hardly feel the shift in temperature. This makes it a great choice for households with older water heating systems. Its pros are, it has a unique and stylish design, it is 2 showers in one so that it satisfies different needs, and it has an anti-scalding system. However, its assembly instructions are a bit vague. The KOJOX is a perfect choice for anyone who is remodeling the bathroom. Still haven't found a high pressure and rainfall shower head that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Gabrylly. This next high pressure and rainfall shower head has a 5-function handheld shower and a single-function 10 inches rain shower head, which offers consistent, powerful showers even under low water pressure. It has a valve body that contains an adjustable water pressure device. This wide valve directs the water flow to 2 showering functions. The pressure balancing valve maintains water pressure and controls temperature. It has an elegant matte black finish and sleek look shower system that complements any decor, and it is designed to be easily installed with standard US plumbing connections. This shower set package includes valve trim, rain shower head, handheld shower head, shower arm, and elbow. We like that it has 10 years of free replacement of any shower parts for your peace of mind. Another advantage is the aesthetically pleasing design, high production values, and total temp control solution, which mixes to create an extensive line of bathroom faucets. Furthermore, the soft rubbery spray hole allows you to easily clean away calcium and lime left over from the spray face of your shower head and hand shower with the touch of a finger. Lastly, the 5 settings deliver excellent performance. Switching spray settings is incredibly simple. Its pros are, it has a pressure balance system, its versatile design can be very useful, and it has a 10 inches rainfall shower head. However, it requires professional plumbing. The Gabrylly is recommended because it offers a range of modes to help you have a relaxing shower. The second product on this list is the ESNBIA. This unit utilizes a 12-inch rain shower head and handheld shower head that uses supercharging technology to effortlessly provide superior water pressure and consistent, powerful showers even under low pressure. The large shower head can cover the whole body during the shower and quickly rinse the soap off of your body. It also has a pressure balance valve cartridge and a brass valve body. Cold and hot water flow can be adjusted with the settings on the left and right sides, designed for use with standard 1/2 inches of US plumbing connections. Additionally, this elegant oil-rubbed bronze finish and sleek look shower system complements any home style of your choice. It is made of high-quality materials, anti-rust, and long-lasting durability, and lets you enjoy a luxurious rain shower. We like that this shower set package includes a shower valve, rain shower, handheld shower head, arm, and shower hose. And finally, this shower faucet set comes with a warranty that provides free replacement of any part for 5 years. Its pros are, it features a pressure balance valve cartridge, it is great for areas with low pressure, and it has a sleek design that suits any decor. However, it can be difficult to install due to the multiple parts and fittings. The ESNBIA is an excellent choice because it provides a premium shower experience for any home. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top high pressure and rainfall shower head is the EMBATHER. The ultimate high pressure and rainfall shower head is the EMBATHER. It is a CUPC certified unit with an anti-scald system, a tub shower faucet set, and a ceramic disc cartridge. With this unit, you can quickly stop the outflow of hot water. This safety feature keeps you safe from burns and helps to maintain a consistent water temperature. We like that the shower valve body is made of one solid piece of brass, ensuring durability and a longer lifespan. The premium check valve is without knocking noise, bringing you a comfortable shower experience. Moreover, this tub shower faucet is made of high-quality stainless steel, which features a widespread waterfall valve, and the significant water flow does not pour out over the edge and shows fingerprints or water spots. We like that it falls almost straight down and fills up your bathtub quickly to reduce temperature loss. Another advantage is that it is designed to easily install with standard US plumbing connections. Meanwhile, its ultra-thin 304 stainless steel rainfall shower head provides a reliable, powerful rain shower even under low water pressure. The nozzles are also made of easy-to-clean silicone, so you can easily wipe them clean to eliminate any mineral buildup. What's more, the specially designed aeration technology can cut off 30% of your water bills while allowing you to still enjoy a high-pressure shower. Overall, this is the most comprehensive and effective unit on the market today. Its pros are, it is designed to be easily cleaned, it is easy to install, which saves you time, it has an innovative design, and it is made of high-quality materials. However, its modern square styling may not suit all bathroom decors. The EMBATHER is a brilliant rainfall shower that provides you complete body coverage and high pressure at all times for a better shower experience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.